Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm bringing you guys a relaxing fall cleaning video, and this is basically me doing a quick tidy up in my bedroom of the dresser and the desk, and then of course I'm going to move on to the bathroom, give that a little bit more of a deeper clean, and then also I have to just make up the bed in the girls room. But you guys know, if you do YouTube, if you're a mom and if you work, that you know your life is usually hectic. So sometimes you have to try to film when you can. So I decided to go ahead and just pick up the camera and film this for you guys. I hope you do enjoy it. And on this day, I actually did go to Walmart and was able to get some cleaning products. So I'm happy with that. So I will be using some Lysol wipes finally. I also got some pods to drop into the toilet to sanitize it, and some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and be using those things. If I need to chime in, I will, but I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. And remember to leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys being here.
Ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and unafraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to the and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you.
Yeah, guys, so on this day I was jamming out to some music. You see I have my headphones in my ears. I was listening to some Pandora, a mix that I have on there, and I had some Donnell Jones on there, some Brandy, some Keisha Cole, which is all mixed up. So I was really vibing and, you know, getting into this cleaning. And if you're new, my name is Natasha. I am a wife, a mom of 4, and on my channel you'll definitely get a lot of cleaning or realistic cleaning motivation. I'll also bring you some organization, things on lifestyle and motherhood, and also a little bit of decor. So if that's something you guys think you'll be interested in, I would definitely love for you to stick around and subscribe, and I'll let you guys go ahead and get back into this music that I'm bringing you guys to jam to.
Back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be in love, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise, now are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me, promise. Standing in the hallway, I know you know what I'm about to tell you. I've just realized that you can't let go. It's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something I like to try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is all too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you. It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows that I'm a little nervous. I've just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something I like to try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is so too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Feel you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
That cute little outfit was actually a find at Walmart that I got that day, and I did get something for Mason as well. They did not have anything for Sanaya, so I will have to get her something. But they do have out some nice Halloween little outfits, and they're not expensive at all. And I did share it on Instagram as well. So again, if you guys have an Instagram account, I would love for you to go over there and follow me. And again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you guys liked it enough to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken.